Let's begin in a child's pose. With your knees as wide as comfortable, big toes together behind you, and rest your forehead and your chest down towards the mat. From here, rise up into a tabletop on your hands and knees. Fan your fingers out wide, gripping into your mat through your whole hand. With your strong hands, extend your right heel back, and to add on, reach your left arm forward. Gaze is set on one spot for focus, and use your core to bring your right knee and left elbow together underneath you. Inhale to reach, extend your arm and leg out long. Exhale, touch, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach, stay firm. Exhale, touch. Just 2 more times. Inhale, reach. Exhale, touch. Inhale, reach. Last touch. This time, reach. And slowly come back to tabletop. Let's switch sides. Extend your left leg straight out behind you and your right arm straight forward. Firm up through your core. Stitch your ribs together. Neck is in line with your spine, and breath is calm. Inhale. Exhale, tap right elbow to left knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, tap. Inhale, reach, try not to wobble. Exhale, tap. 2 more, reach. Tap. Last one, reach. Tap, then 1 more, inhale, reach, and slowly come back to tabletop. Then find high plank. With your fingers fanned out wide, gripping into your mat, drive back through your heels as you push everything away from gravity. Not only should your body resemble a plank, like a flat line from your ankles all the way through the crown of your head, but there should be a little bit of an arch as you lift your body away from the mat. So puff up between your shoulder blades. Tuck your tailbone just slightly. Lift the backs of your knees up to the ceiling. Beautiful. Then maintain this strong plank as much as you can as you bend your elbows back to lower all the way down to the mat. Once down, set up low cobra. Zip your legs and feet together. Tops of your feet press into the mat. Peel your chest up, elbows point up, and let your hands hover underneath your shoulders. You're here for 3. Lift a little bit higher. 2, a little higher. 1. Release and press up and back into downward facing dog. And feel free to add any movement in this down dog that serves you. Now let's flow through that mini sequence a couple of times. So inhale, come forward to your high plank, nice and strong. Exhale, lower your plank down to the ground. Inhale, low cobra, peel up. Exhale, down dog, send it back. Inhale, come forward to your high plank. Exhale, lower down to your belly. Inhale, low cobra, peel up. Exhale, send it back to down dog. Only 2 more times. Come forward to your high plank. Lower down with control. Low cobra, inhale. Exhale, send it back to down dog. Last time, stay strong. High plank. Exhale to lower. Inhale, low cobra. Exhale, down dog. Well done. Make your way to a forearm plank. Place one loose fist inside the other and ground your forearms into your mat. Lift out of your shoulders as you drive back through your heels and lengthen through the crown of your head. Everything is lifting up against gravity. Even the backs of your knees are pressing up towards the ceiling. We're not here for long, just another deep breath or so stay focused. And to set up a side plank, shift your weight into your right side as you reach your left arm high, or you can place your left hand on your left hip. Keep your neck and hips lifting up, and if you've done this before, then try a star, lifting your top leg and arm up. 3, 2, 1. Gracefully switch sides. Left arm down, right arm high. Keep your hips lifting up, neck in line with your spine. Always listen to your body and modify when appropriate. It's better to strengthen, not strain. But if you did on the other side and you feel strong here, take the star. 3, 2, 1. Lower down to your belly and set up a floor bow. Reach back and grab the outer edges of your feet. Make sure your knees stay hip distance apart so they're not splaying open. Then roll your shoulders open, peel your chest up, and extend your legs into your hands to pick up this pose. Even your knees lift up off the mat. Breathe deep into your torso. And maintain your lift. For one more big inhale. Then exhale to release. Make your way to child's pose. With your knees wide, big toes touching, forehead resting on your mat. Relax. Then when you're ready, come forward to your forearm plank once more. And remember, you can always modify. But wherever you are, let's add on. Lift your right leg up. Point through your toes and feel your glute engage. Inhale. Exhale, tap your toes down to the mat. Then inhale to lift it up higher than your glute. Exhale to tap. Inhale, lift. Exhale, tap. Just 2 more. Lift. Tap. Last one. Inhale, lift. Then forearm plank. Switching sides. Left leg lifts. Point through your toes. Straight leg lifts higher than your glute. Inhale. Exhale, tap. Inhale, lift. Exhale, tap. Lift. Tap. Lift. You got this. Tap. Lift a little higher. Tap. Inhale, lift. Then forearm plank. Set up your side plank, right arm down, left arm high. Now the movement here will be small, but it'll do big things for your core strength. So from here, lift your hips up towards the ceiling 2 extra inches, then lower down 2 inches. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower. Then continue pulsing slowly with your breath. For 3, 2, 1. With your left arm down, right arm high, everything lifting away from the mat. Lift your hips up 2 extra inches, then lower them back 2 inches. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue pulsing slowly and mindfully, noticing where you feel the strength, that fire, that burn, and you're here for 10, 9, just kidding, 3, 2, 1. Forearm plank, then lower down to your belly for floor bow. Bend your knees, reach back, grab onto your feet. Peel your chest up, then extend your feet into your hands and lift everything up off the mat. Knees lift, chest lifts, head is high. See if you can reach your toes up a little bit higher. For 3, a little higher. 2, just a little higher. 1, release, find child's pose. And that's it. Good job.